Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to start construction. For that, first we will see some basic construction. In that, first says to construct the bisector of a given angle. Here I have made an angle ABC, and you can see angle B is in the corner. We have to bisect angle B. So for that, we will make an arc like this, taking B as a center. We will draw an arc which is cutting the line AB and BC at 2 points. You can see these are the 2 points. Now suppose these points are D and E. Now taking D and E as center, we will cut another arcs like this. So you can get a cross type structure. So X type structure. Now join B with this. So we are getting a line, suppose F. This BF is bisecting the angle ABC. You can see this angle and this angle. Now let us move to the another construction. Now students, you see second construction is to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So for that, first we will take a line segment. Let us suppose we are taking a line of length 10 centimeter. So for that, first we have drawn a line 10 centimeter. This means we have to draw a line which is the perpendicular bisector of this line. This means if we are making a line which is perpendicular to the line AB, as well as it will bisect the line AB. So for that, first we have drawn a line AB which is of 10 centimeter. Now we will take more than half of AB. If you see this arc properly, you can see this arc radius is more than half of AB. Now taking B at center, we will draw two arcs on the upper side of the line and on the lower side of the line. Similarly, taking A at center, the same arc we will make in such a way that the previous arc will be cut. You can see nicely, taking B as center, two arcs are drawn. Similarly, by taking A as center, two arcs are drawn like this. You can see on both the sides of AB, we are getting X-type structure. Now, the intersection point of these two arcs and the intersection point of these two arcs will be joined with the help of scale. If you will see properly, this line is perpendicular on the line AB, as well as if you will measure both the sides, this side you will get 5 centimeter, this side also you will get 5 centimeter. This point if you will mark as M, then AM will be equal to MB, both are 5 centimeter. And suppose the name of this line is XY, then we can say angle XMB is equal to 90 degree, or the line XY perpendicular on AB. So we got a perpendicular bisector of a line AB which is of length 10 centimeter. Now let us move to the another construction. Now students, you see some angles I have written here: 90 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree and 15 degree. We will try to draw all these angles with the help of compass. So for that, first we will make a line. Suppose I have taken a line AB. Now this corner, this end point of the line I am choosing to make these angles. For that, taking this point as center, we'll draw a semicircle like this. Okay. Now this side you have a base AB. So taking this point as a center, first angle or first arc, whatever you will make, that angle will be marked as 60 degree. This means if you will join like this with A, this angle we will join, then from here to here you will have 60 degree. Now again, by taking this point as a center, second arc which we will draw, this arc will be marked as 120 degree. Now, when 60 degree and 120 degree will be bisected, we will get 90 degree. So for that, taking this point as a center, an arc will be drawn like this, and taking this 120 degree arc as center, another arc will be drawn like this. Now with A, we will join this arc, intersection point of the arc. So we will get this angle as 90 degree and this angle as 60 degree. When you join A with this arc, you will get this angle as 120 degree. We can mark, suppose this point is C, this point is D, this point is E. So we can write angle CAB. You can see this is CAB. This is 60 degree. DAB, angle DAB is 90 degree. And angle EAB is 120 degree. Now for 30 degree, we have to bisect 60 degree CAB. So for that, bisecting CAB, we'll take this point as a center and we'll draw an arc like this. Then the 60 degree arc, another point, we will draw an arc like this. So angle CAB is bisected. Let us suppose I am writing here F, then we can write angle FAB is equal to 30 degree. Now for 15 degree, we have to bisect 30 degree. So for that, we have 2 points like this. Taking this point as a center, we will draw an arc like this. Similarly, taking this point as a center, another arc like this. So again, this FAB is bisected. Suppose this point is G, then angle, we can write angle GAB is equal to 15 degree. So student, this way we can construct 90 degree, 60 degree, 120, 30 and 15 degree. Once again I am explaining you. First we have drawn a line AB. Taking A as a center, first we have made a semicircle. The first arc given you 60 degree. Then the second arc, first arc like this we have made. Second arc will give you 120 degree. When you bisect 60 degree and 120 degree, you will get the line of 90 degree, which I wrote here. CAB is equal to 60 degree, DAB is equal to 90 degree and EAB is equal to 120 degree. Similarly, when we have bisected CAB, we got a line FA or AF, which is giving us 30 degree. So I wrote here FAB is equal to 30 degree. Now for getting 15 degree, we have bisected the angle FAB. So we are getting 15 degree. Now students, we will see another set of angles, 75 degree, 105 degree, 45 degree and 135 degree with the help of compass. So for that, again we will draw a line. For making all these angles, first we will have to draw 90 degree. So I have already told you how to draw 90 degree. First we have drawn a line and mark it AB. Taking A as center, first we'll make a semicircle like this. Now taking this point as a center, first we will make an arc like this. It will be 60 degree. Second arc will be 120 degree. So this way, first we will construct 90 degree. As I told you, this is 60, this is 90 and this is 120. So 60 and 90, if we will bisect this angle, both the sides we will get 15, 15. So if we will bisect this angle, we will get 75 degree. So taking this point as a center, first arc, and taking this point as a center, second arc, and join like this. Let us suppose this point is C. So see, 60 and 90 is bisected. So total 30 degree, 15 this side, 15 this side. So 60 plus 15 will be 75 degrees. We can write here angle CAB is equal to 75 degree. Now for making 105 degree, we can bisect 90 and 120 degree. Again this side we have 30 degrees. So let us bisect 90 degree line and 120 degree arc. So for that, taking this point as a center, we will make arcs like this. Now if we will join from A to this point, you will have 90 plus 15 means 105 degree. Let us suppose this angle, this point is D. We can write angle DAB is equal to 105 degree. I hope students you understood 75 degree and 105 degree. Now let us come to 45 degree and 135 degree. So for that, once again we will make 90 degree. I am making here. You all have to practice whatever angles I am making here. You have to make in a fair copy. In the coming days, your oral test and copy assessment is going to start. So for that, your copies will be assessed by your maths teacher. So be ready with your copies. Your note copies will be checked through Google Meet or WhatsApp video call, as I told you earlier. So now you see 45 degree and 135 degree. So for that, first we will make an angle. Suppose this is CAB. CAB is 90 degree. So for making 45 degree, we have to bisect angle 90. So this from here to here, 90 degree is there. So we have to bisect this angle. So for taking this point as a center, we'll draw an arc like this. So 90 degree is bisected. When you join like this, suppose this point is D, then CAD will be equal to angle DAB. Both are 45 degrees. Because 90 degrees bisected, so both the angles are equal and both are bisected into 45 degree. For making 135 degree, let us see the construction. For making 135 degree, again we will make 90 degree first. First we will make 90 degree. Now see, suppose this point is A, B. This line, this side, it's 0 degree. And here it is 90 degrees. So 0 to 90 when bisected, we are getting 45 degree. So for getting 135 degree, we have to bisect 90 and 180 degree. But 180 degree, how can we get? First, we will produce the line AB this side. Then, you will get the base of the arc. This point, we can assume it is 180 degree. Now, taking this point as a center, we will make an arc like this. And taking this point as a center, an arc like this. So, when you join, this side we have 90 plus 45. This is 90 plus 45 will give you 135 degrees. So let us make this point as C. So we can write angle CAB is equal to 135 degrees. So CAB is equal to 135 degrees. So students, your homework is exercise 11.1 of NCERT book. All these constructions you will practice in your copy. Okay, thank you.